Yes, good morning, Muranda. The today's class of operational research, we'd like to deal with the new topic that is regarding the third unit, replacement theory. So, what is meant by replacement? How it will be playing a major important role in the industrial sector, and on what basis, by considering what are the different types of parameters we have to replace the components existing within the manufacturing industries or the operational sectors wherever it is necessary, even from the minute strategy onwards. So here replacement. So replacement, the name itself, it is clearly specifying that transplantation, nothing but the equipment. Within the equipment, what is the objects that are the different elements that are existing? If there is any complete failure of that particular element, the complete replacement should be done. Nothing but removing of that particular element in that assembly part and replacing, nothing but installation of the new element in the place of the failure or getting failure or breakdown of the particular element. See here, clear cutly, the definition will be looking after the definition or else the basic theory where will be the application of this replacement. In the operational research, it is used in decision making process, nothing but for replacement, replacing that is used equipment within a substitute. Nothing but mostly one equipment is being running, and depending upon the process that is being considering, it is generating a particular property that is deteriorating property, or will be simply calling as a failure or breakdown of that particular equipment. So here equipment in the sense is a combination of or assembly of different kinds of elements. For example, we will be considering our mobile. It has been just slipped from our hands. It has hit the ground, and upon that, the entire the display has been breakdown. We'll be moving on to the repair session or shop and replacing only that particular screen. So, but not the entire object. So touch screen is not working simultaneously. The touch screen is not working. So touch sensor will be maybe getting the effect in the case of this entire VLSI circuit board. So and only that particular IC will be replaced by the maintenance person. So here replacement involves that specific criteria, nothing but deteriorating property or failure or some of the defected piece, which will be replacing for resuming the functionalities that are existing within the entire the equipment. So that is a replacement. So how the replacement is encouraged, on what parameters it will be encouraged, that will be having a detailed look. How many types it are being existing, and practically in how many modes it will be getting alive, and whether it will be continuing or else uh, the economical basis has been considered, or what are the different types of applications that are existing in our real kinds of situations. We'll be having a detailed look by one process. So the replacement theory, it is used in the cases like existing items have outline, nothing but the expiry. We'll be calling that expiry dates. So if it has been got expired, or it may not be economical anymore, nothing but beyond that, upon working for the prescribed task to be performed, if that particular component doesn't supports, then it may not become continued anymore, nothing but it is destroyed. So the destroy may leads by any of the processes.
such as we'll be considering our automobile examples. If any vehicle has been hit with another vehicle, it leads to get a damage of only some parts. Maybe in the front side bumper may be getting crashed, or lights may be get broken, bonnet may be getting broken. So we'll be replacing only that particular elements indeed to consider or constitute the entire that particular car or any of the automobile that you have been considered is got into the previous agitation. Nothing but for our gesture or looking, it should be as a previous strategy. That painting and all, almost all will be getting maintenance, nothing but replaced with respect to the previous version. So it may be destroyed. So destroyed may leads to several parameters. For example, in the internally happening circuits, due to the heavy pressure applications or due to heavy temperature generations, some of the ICs will be getting crashed out or destroyed in the case of our electronic components, such as our laptops, and even very high temperature experts if have been considered our electrical circuits boards, internal domestical characteristics of electronic items, etc. So these are the hence the above discussed situations, all the situations just you have been discussed related to the automobile, automobiles, domestical fields, and natural environmental considerations, etc. Simultaneously in the industrial fields also, medical fields also, and number of fields. Even we'll be finding a clear cut vision that in the medical fields that it will be having a expiry date. All right. So overall, these situations can be solved mathematically and characterized on some basis which may be called as replacement models. So mathematical calculations. So here our operational research will clearly specify that how long this product will be worked as a common basis or else in the realistic basis. And what is the time period that is required for replacement? Initially at the manufacturing stage itself, for the components or uses of any of the medical oriented systems or domestical oriented systems, and due to the heavy applications or due to the natural considerations or external considerations, some of the objects may lead to the natural calamities that will be getting destroyed due to the natural calamities. So there is another criteria. But as per the manufacturing is considered, it will be having a clear-cut vision that how long it will be getting existed. So depending upon that, we'll be calculating mathematically, and it is characterized on the natural basis or statistical basis that you are having, and the replacement of such models are initiated. So that is nothing but the replacement. So how it will be getting analyzed? What are the mathematical relations that are existing for finding the different agitations or different tasks at different fields which are coming under this replacement category? We will be having a detailed cross-out look in the case of these replacement models. So here there are different types of models existing related to different kinds of fields as we have been discussed. So coming to the point number one, that is model number one. So first model here, that is aging of the machines. So aging. So what is meant by aging in the sense? It's very that the items that deteriorate with respect to the time. So we have discussed a single one detailed point that at the time of manufacturing itself, generally by considering with respect to the environmental conditions, it will be specifying that how long that particular object will be resisted due to the environmental conditions, and hence will be clear cutly saying in the form of this time period, that is nothing but a life period. And naturally we'll use it to, in the case of medical fields, we'll be having a similar example that medicines will be packed with the closed container, enclosed, then closed, enclosed container. For example, if you have been observed these tablets, those will be covered with respect to the labeling in the plastic sheets. Right? So on that, the labeling also will be clear. Nothing but how much time or how much time period it will be existing, expiry date, etc. Simultaneously, for each and every kind of material, there will be a specific due date or due time. Coming to the our automobile cadre or mechanical cadres, we'll be considering some of the examples such as some of the automobiles, that is nothing but different types of vehicles, different equipment buildings. So generally we'll be finding how much cooling is considered at the time of construction, and what is the thickness that has been considered, whether it has been lined with respect to a single layer finishing or double layer finishing, etc., and how it is the bonding nature has been taken, such as etc. conditions will be monitored while the construction basis is taking place. Depending upon that, due to the natural calamities, it may be leads to destroying to some extent, or due to the environmental criteria, we'll be estimating that how long it will be existing, and even some of the tools. So we'll be having some statistical data that we have been considered this lathe machine. The tool has been fixed and the work part has been fixed in the lathe machine and working with respect to it. So nominally, depending upon the material, type of the material, we have to utilize this cast iron as an work part and mild steel as an the tool. So upon this cutting process, we used to have to follow as per the design criteria that 0.5 mm of depth has to be progressed. Nothing but feeding has to be given. But if it has been done more and rotations per minute, but RPM has been increased, simultaneously a high amount of temperature will be released than the existing temperature and leads to the damage of the products. Hence, it leads to the destroying of or decrement of this lifetime of the products, and ultimatum that leads to the failure of that particular tools or machineries may be occurring. We'll be having a simple example related to the first criteria, that is aging of the machines under the manufacturing criteria. For example, a truck owner finds out that the maintenance cost for truck X, for considering a X, considering a lorry, to be of rupees 200 for the first year. So initially for the first year it is 200 and is increasing by 2000 every year. Hence, right? So hence, capital cost of which is rupees 10,000 and determine the replacement age. So in such a way, it will be existing the questionnaires or indeed to estimate the maintenance that is being taking place. So here, the first criteria it is initially the capital cost it is 10,000. Has bought the truck of X, and in the first year, the maintenance for it. So whatsoever it may be, changing of an oils or else the any of the minute problems that has been occurred for recovering those kinds of occurrence and replacing of some of the objects maybe leads towards these 200 rupees for the first year, and in the second year it is increasing by 2000 every year, and hence second year it is 2200. So initially 200, so addition of 2000, the second year it is 2200, and simultaneously for the third year it is again increasing by 2000. So every year it is increasing by 2000, clearly specifying. Hence in the third year, that is 2200 plus 2000, that is 4200, and later on additionally another one more year, that is 6200, simultaneously 8200, simultaneously 10,200 for 5 years. So in such a way it is being increasing. So determine the replacement age. So what is the replacement? See, initial input cost it is 10,000. So how it will be considered, and what at what position it will be getting struck away? Nothing but the stoppage that need to be identified in the case of this AC. Nothing but depending upon the maintenance strategy, if other than the capital cost, the maintenance is being increased than the capital cost, then the sustenance of that particular equipment doesn't support for the performing of activities in the manufacturing criteria. So that has to play a major important role, and hence 10,000 crossing of this 10,000 per year, the capital cost itself it is 10,000, and next the after or beyond that 50% of utilization only, it is having much more trouble. Nothing but after crossing this 5,000, and a 5,000 ఎప్పుడు cross అవుతుందనండి 2 plus 2 plus 2, that hence it is moving on for 3 years, it is 6,200, and hence after 3 years or maximum 2.5 years only, it will be getting existing for about 50% of the capital cost, and later on if furthermore most 3 years has been commenced 60%, and next towards if the 1 year has been considered 80%, and next if another one more year has been considered, then it will be equal and crossing than the capital investment on that particular truck. So that has to be estimated. So the mathematics of the mathematical relations will be entrapped in this particular case of calculations, and depending upon that, the sustenance lifetime for these machineries will be calculated, and hence whether it has to be replaced and whether it supports for the replacement or not will be analyzed, and hence if it has been supports with respect to the replacement, it will be having a particular truck to be replaced with respect to the engine, right? That the functionality needs to be taken place. Simultaneously, we'll be moving on with respect to the second condition, that is availability of similar new machines with better usages, and hence we have to notice one more criteria, that is if that particular truck need to be replaced with respect to the basic body of the lorry, whether the similar truck with respect to the dimensions of same has to be replaced is existing or not, and upon the replacement, hence we have been observed that 50% is at least 50%. See, if that 50% has been considered 2.5 years, that is necessary or will be considered for 50% of replacement criteria. So based upon that, after that fixed investment cost relates to the before 2.5 years model and present model with the same dimensions with an additional technologies incorporation is being available or not have to be seen. So previously it may leads to the hydraulic strategy of lifting that particular truck, and presently it may leads to the pneumatic strategy which performs an quick actions in the case of working. So whether it will be supporting or not, that need to be verified. So what are the developments that are being existing not only in the criteria of these automobiles, I think, but in the domestical utilizations, nothing but in the computers. Computers are nothing but will be having the RAMs. So initially we'll be having RAM capacity that is 600 and 512 MB or 650 MB. It can be replaced with respect to next time with respect to additional parameters, that 1 GB, and later on 2 GB, 3 GB, like that the RAM capability will be getting increased, and simultaneously in the cars. So we are obviously seeing the at most upcoming features that are nothing but new designs that are being taking place both in the internal sector and external sector of that particular automobiles, and those kinds will be updating with respect to additional features, whether that will be getting supported with respect to the existing machinery or not need to be compared and verified. So In the categorization of this second model, availability of similar new machines with the better usages, that the items becoming out of date due to the new developments like ordinary weaving looms by automatic, nothing but handmade work towards to the incorporation of these motors, nothing but the automatically operating conditions by utilizing the electrical power supply, and manual accounting by tally. So manually we'll be calculating, and presently we are having some of the softwares to calculate the entire task within a particular time period, that is what within the microseconds. Whether the manual calculations leads to hours of time, and even some of the computers which will be replacing with respect to additional features, just we have been discussed that increasing of its RAM capacity of working different softwares simultaneously with an high speed, that is 512 to 1 GB, or hence it can be increased from 1 GB to 2 GB, like that, and even in the automobiles also. So here leads to an similar with respect to a similar example. What are those changes will be getting occurred? And if the additional features has been increased, what are the further increments that is being taking place in the case of this maintenance or replacement cadre? In the case of this replacement cadre, what are the different criteria that need to be entrapped? That will be having a detailed look. A truck owner finds out maintenance cost for truck X to be rupees 200 for the first year, as we have discussed in the model number 1, and increasing by 2000 every year, right? Hence, the capital cost of which is rupees 9,000 for the truck X, and simultaneously considering another one more truck. So truck Y costs of 20,000, whose annual maintenance cost is of rupees 400 for the first year, and then increases by rupees 800 every year. Nothing but truck 1 is having the oldest version, and the maintenance is 200 for the first year, and definitely it is increasing 2000, that is 10 times more than the initial year towards the next year. So upon the advanced technology, incorporation of this automatic points or parameters in the manufacturing at the futuristic generation, the truck Y has been developed. And initial cost, but the initial cost will be very much high when compared to the unit number or truck number X. So truck number X is only 9,000 and truck number Y is 20,000. So input cost is very much high when compared to the primary truck or primary conditions. And hence the maintenance is very much low when compared to the first one. Maintenance is very much low. That is first year 400 rupees, and later on year by year it is increasing by 800. So that is only twice, but in the case of this X, it is an incrementing of 10 times than the first year maintenance to the second year. Hence it is input cost is having very much high, but the maintenance is very much less, only 10 times. And there is a variation of 8 to 9 times of variation in the case of manufacturing criteria related to the truck X and truck Y. Coming to the point here, the majorly the truck owner has now truck X. So presently he is having the truck X, primary kind of manufacturer of 1 year each. So it has already completed 1 year each, and rupees 200 need to be spent for the maintenance activity. So it should he replace it by a truck Y, and if so, when? So indeed to commence the decrementing of the maintenance each and every year, whether he use it to replace with respect to the truck Y. So here we will be having a clear cut look at that truck X capital cost is 9,000, truck Y capital cost is 20,000. So the difference amount, if you have been considered 20,000 minus 9,000, that is 11,000. So if you have if he is replaced with respect to the truck Y, he used to pay that 11,000 additionally instead of the maintenance cost for truck X, that is 200 rupees. So but whether he use it to, there is some clear cut observation here, whether he use it to, he wants to replace, in the sense 11,000 additionally need to be paid down, or else if you want to keep the same X truck for the first year, because it is clearly specifying that only 1 year age of truck X has been given, and hence this rupees to, by this rupees 200 he used to get the maintenance activity. So later on, for the second year he has to generate the 2000, and if he proceeds furtherly, it will be increasing 2000 for each and every year. So upon 5 years, but there will be an operational variations also. So operational variations here specifies or leads to the minor changes in the truck EX to the truck Y, nothing but incorporation of additional features. For example, truck X, generally we used to find the tractors in our areas also, rural areas also, that initially there will be an levers which will be acting as on stoppers for the side of trucks, and manually has to release that, and later on that mud or sand which has been carried will be getting uh, unloaded manually by utilizing the sources. And new technology incorporation, in the sense the hydraulic system which will be acting, and directly it will be lifting with respect to the engine, increasing of the pressure, generation of pressure with respect to the hydraulic, and cylinder and piston arrangement will be getting set up over there, and that due to the incorporation of this automatic pressure, cylinder will be getting expanded, the pressurized fluid that tends to move or extend the piston within the cylinder, and hence that particular truck will be getting lifted automatically. So hence there will be an commencement of work very quickly, because the manual mode of unloading that particular truck containing material takes a time of 1 to 1.5 hour time. But if the lifting itself, it automatically completes within 2 to 3 minutes of time. So there's a lot of 10 times variations of time. And hence, when you have been compared here, there is a 2 times variation of input cost or capital cost need to be spent for the replacement of truck X towards the truck Y. So upon this working criteria, we have to analyze that whether it is feasible for the replacement from truck X to the truck Y or not, and if it is being feasible, when it has to be considered. So only in this first year it needs to be replaced, or else after commencing another 1 more year, that is nothing but after 2 years it need to be replaced, or else these 2.5 years or 3 years. So that is an secondary criteria, and that need to be identified with respect to our mathematical relations. All right, moving on to the third model, time value of the machines considered. So time value. So here coming to an third sector, that is timely related, nothing but depreciation of money or present worth factor. Just we have been discussed related to this time value also. So manually unloading or loading conditions leads to a large time period of working. Hence, if it has been automated, it will be completing the task within 2 to 3 minutes of time period. So when you have been considered this cadre, these those items which deteriorate with respect to the time. and replacementing. So that is a primary criteria. The depreciation of money is considered in the case of the calculations, and deteriorations of these items with respect to the time basis is secondary criteria. So in what basis it will be existing, we will be having a detail look with an example. A lathe machine, considering a lathe machine, which is cost of rupees 5,000, whose maintenance cost is rupees 1,000 in each of the first 4 years, and then increases by rupees 200 every year. So just have a look here. Lathe machine, the initial cost which is 5,000, and yearly maintenance cost is rupees 1,000 in each of the first 4 years. So first, upon 4 years, so when it has been categorized 1,000 divided by 4, that is 250. So yearly it is 250. In each of the first 4 years, it is charging of rupees 1,000. Then increased by rupees 200. So later on it is increasing by 200. So for a year, if it has been 250, and later on after 4 years, 250 plus 200, that is 450. It is being increasing. So assuming that machine has no salvage value and the maintenance cost is incurred in the beginning of each year. So considering or assuming that the machinery has no salvage value, so here salvage value refers to an unsupported with respect to the work, or unsupported with respect to the working environment. Coming, and the maintenance cost is incurred in the beginning of the each year. So after crossing or completing 1 year, it will be entering into the year number 2. So when it is being entering into from 1 year to the another year, at the beginning stage itself, the maintenance is to be, or that maintenance is preferred. Hence, have to determine the optimal replacement time for the replacement of this, or replacement time for this lathe machine, assuming that the time value of money is 10% per annum. So per annum, if you have been considered 10% destroy criteria that is being existing, have to analyze that how much time value is related with respect to the money if per annum it is deteriorating with respect to the 10 percentage. So considering of under the lathe is 100 percentage, so for each and every 4 years it relates to per year 10 means 10 into 4, that is 40 percentage, and after crossing 4 years additionally of rupees 200 is being also charged, and hence it is increasing furtherly with respect to the percentage criteria. Hence, what is the time value that is being existing with respect to the deterioration of that particular item need to be analyzed. So our criteria is with respect to 50 percentage it is being spent, almost there will be less in the profit economy when related to the economical criteria. So when it has been considered, obviously it will be very much less in strategy. So if 10% is per annum has been existing. After crossing this 4 years, additionally 200 is being charged with respect to the economical. That is related to incrementing than the 10 percentage. So crossing than the 10 percentage. So at that particular situation, what are the criteria should be followed? Need to be analyzed whether it will be replaced or it is maintained with respect to the that particular time specified, that is 4 years of time period already specified in the illustration. that need to be analyzed in the case of this model number 3. Next, moving on to the model number 4, that is group replacements. So the items which do not deteriorate but fail completely after a certain amount of use, like electronic parts, street lights, etc. So here n number of we already discussed that n number of components will be get assembled in the circuits. In the circuits, in the bulk cadderly, resistors, diodes, transistors, transformers, microprocessors, controllers, etc. will be existing. So if n number of criteria, nothing but 4 resistors, 6 capacitors, etc., has been got failed due to the incrementing of the voltage in the circuit, obviously it need to be replaced. So that relates to the group replacements. In the case of this electronic, if you have been considered a village or else a municipality area, if the entire, I think in the roadways, R&B has been considered, and number of lights will be fixed over there. Simultaneously, due to the sudden entrenchments or due to the environmental conditions, incrementing of the temperature or decrementing of the temperature, or due to the heavy rains, or the environmental criteria, it may be. If a 2 or 3 bulbs has been failed out, then simultaneously it has to be replaced over again. The activity of the municipal workers, that to electrical department. So here, considering an example, an office of having has 1,000 bulbs installed, of which 20% bulbs keeps on failing each week. So 1,000 bulbs will be realized by an office software company will be considering 20% of the bulbs. So 20% in the sense 200 bulbs among this 1,000. So 200 bulbs each and every week they will be getting failed away. So individual bulb replacement cost is rupees 3, while group replacement cost is rupees 1 per bulb. So if we have been purchased that particular bulb individually, that is nothing but one bulb, it has been got today. So we'll be replacing. If we have been replaced that one bulb today, it will be charging 3 rupees, or instead of buying that bulb. So we are having 20% of bulbs wantage or demand. So if you have been purchased that entire 200 bulbs at a time, 20% is 200 bulbs among the 1,000. So it will be charging only 1 rupee, right? So it is decided to replace all the bulbs simultaneously at fixed interval, and also to replace the individual bulbs that fail in between. So here there is a criteria that has been happening, that it should be replaced among the depending upon the demand. So here the demand, it is 20% of the bulbs need to be in a demand criteria per week. And meanwhile, if there is any additional, so 21% or 22%, it also should be considered. So fixed interval it is 20%, and also to replace the individual bulbs that fails in between. So in between, if the replacement has been considered, even furtherly it has been taken into the failure category, or that the bulbs fails, that has to also to be continued. So decide a suitable replacement policy. So what will be the replacement policy? There is nothing but group replacement. So individually, if we have been given account replacement, nothing but if you have been called one person one time, you have to give 3 rupees. And if that particular person is not available, you'll be calling another person, he'll be charging another again 3 rupees. So simultaneously, for replacement of single bulb, will be having it will be charged of rupees 3. So if another in the we have been framed this electrical department and group replacement and purchasing of all the bulbs at a time have been considered, the charge cost will be very much less. That is rupees 1 per bulb. So if it has been commenced, that is called group replacement on a bulk strategy purchasing, and it's even replacement. So this replacing in groups, these items which did not deteriorate but fail completely after a certain amount of usage. And these kinds will analyze the method called group replacement theory. And these will be large in number of replacement and average life expectancy. Will not be having an extensive way of life expectancy, and have maintenance costs very much moderate in nature, and fail suddenly without any intimations or without any prior warning. And in the case of sudden breakdowns, immediate replacement also will be need to be taken. So these are the replacing considerations in the case of groups. Moving on to with respect to some of the examples related to it, just we have discussed that the light bulbs, electrical bulbs, fluorescent tubes, electronic chips, and some of the fuses which will be having failed down due to the heavy voltage applications suddenly, etc. Why this replacement is necessary? Instead of installing or replacing entire the equipment setup, the optimal cost will be enough. That is definitely very much short in category when considering in this group criteria. So decreasing in the economical factor and commencement of the activity by only a group of persons will be assembling or constituting with a single cadre constitution, and limits the cost efficiency. There is nothing but optimal cost of replacement, right? We'll be furtherly looking after some of the problems related to this replacement theory in the next class. Thank you.